Lock your WhatsApp profile picture. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you want to keep your profile picture private and prevent others from seeing it, first of all you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of WhatsApp application on your mobile device and you are also logged in with your specific account. Now launch the application and then go to the settings by tapping on the three dots in the top right corner. Click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, click on the profile name and then tap on edit. Here you can choose to use an avatar or remove your profile picture entirely or add any picture from your gallery. But unfortunately, there are only these options available to hide your profile picture. So if you want to hide it, you can just simply go ahead and set up any avatar, or you can go to your gallery and then select any photos you'd like to set it up as the profile picture. So there is no such feature to lock it, and WhatsApp may update such features in the future. So this was all about it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.